Hi and welcome to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen. All right, today this is going to be a fun review. I am showing you a new style from Push Hair by Wig Studio One, and this style is called Seline. Belle Tress collaborated in Wig Studio One. They collaborated with each other and they made some styles and some really popular Belle Tress colors, and this is one of those. This is Butterbeer Blonde. Now, the first thing you're probably going to notice is this is very similar to Aesthetica Jones, but this doesn't have permatease. This has a seamless mono top and an extended lace front. No permatease in this wig. I love it. Now, this wig, from the moment I took it out of the box, I knew it was going to be a favorite, and I have reached for it and reached for it. As a matter of fact, just yesterday, I was wearing this wig and I took it off in an appointment because they did not believe I had a wig on. So I took it off and showed them that this was a wig. It is so realistic. The lace front is absolutely gorgeous on this wig. This is a very messy wig. Don't try to make this what it isn't. This is a messy, carefree, beachy wave style. I think it's so fun. It has this little bang. Really easy to wear right out of the box. So let's take a second and look at the inside of the cap. Like I said, this is a truly seamless mono top on this. Look at that extended lace front. That mono top is so beautiful. It's so large. You can part this anywhere within that mono top. It is open wefted, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. Just an absolutely beautiful cap design on this wig. All right, let's just take a second and talk about these heat-friendly fibers, and these are heat-friendly fibers. Now, you could straighten this, you can add more curl to it, but the one thing you're going to have to do is put some heat on this wig at some point. This is a nice length. However, as we wear these wigs, you're going to need to apply some heat to the ends. I would say keep your curling iron, whatever tool you decide to use. You don't want to go over 270 degrees. So make sure your tool of choice here is it has a dial on it so you can adjust your heat. That is very important. Now, what I will use on this wig, I have two. I will use either this really small curling iron that has a little tiny barrel. I love this thing. It does have a heat adjustment and it's not on, of course, but I will use this, and you can make a bend in this using this little curling iron, or you can do the same using what I also love is one of these little tiny flat irons. Same thing. You can get a bend in it, but with this wig, since it is wavy, I would probably like to use this little curling iron. Again, don't go over 270 degrees. Now, let's talk about the specs. The fringe on this one is 4.25. The sides are 7 1/4. Also the crown, 7 1/4, 4.75 inch nape, and it weighs 2.97 ounces. So you're going to see that the specs of this are almost identical to Jones. So again, if you like Jones but you want something without the permatease, be sure to have a look at this one. Now I'm going to insert some footage of this color in different lighting. First of all, I want to remind you I'm not using any studio lights anymore. So what I have is a big ring light in front of me. You see my overhead lighting. I have a bank of windows, although today is a very stormy day. But I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to show it in studio lights. I'm trying to do the best I can to show you this color. So I'm going to insert some footage of this here. So Butterbeer Blonde, one we all know and love. So it's a very blended shade. As you can see, it has sandy blonde, it has an ash blonde that is beautiful, different shades of light blonde, and it's all on this medium brown root. So just a beautiful blonde wig, lots of different colors of blonde, and it does have some ash, and again, on the medium brown root. At this time, Seline is available in 9 colors. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of this gorgeous wig. Please check this out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com. Also join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We have lots and lots of fun over there. I look forward to seeing you. Thanks so much for watching today. See you soon.